Hey guys, this is Harikrishna. So we are here to present the PlatformOps today. It's a new approach that actually transforms the DevOps DIY scripts into a scalable and reusable platforms. So we know how DevOps revolutionized the software, right? It actually reduced the silos, it built products faster, and what happened when it scaled? We had several issues where teams and developers try to solve part of their problem, which is not the full solution at the enterprise level, right? Here comes the platform ops requirement because it treats DevOps as a product. Okay, it ties all the needs of the enterprise at the enterprise level. Let's say tying the observability tools or picking up the secrets, whatnot. So here it has three capabilities: golden paths, self-service tools, and the scaffolding. So what are golden paths? It's basically a template or a standard at the enterprise scale where you pick and choose any of them, like microservice or data pipeline, any web application. So all the templates, it comes with all the observability setups and everything, and it's well tested by platform ops teams. And this is to empower developers with the self-service capabilities, where we can pick and choose any application to deploy without contacting ops. And it also has several runbooks. So we have three more tools, which my colleague will explain more in detail.
Yeah, thanks, Hari. So coming to the key platform tools, basically the platform ops is empowered with the three tools, which is Backstage, and Backstage is more empowered for the developer portals. It has a standard service catalogs and software templates, and also it is also formalized with tech docs and plugging ecosystems, which would be more useful for the developer portal standards. The other pillar is the Crossplane, where it is mostly used for the infrastructure provisioning, with Kubernetes, and also it has been self-service provisioning, and it is aligned with the GitOps, where it can be used as an infrastructure as a code and everything. And coming to like the third pillar, which is the GitOps. So this all the code, everything, either it's an apps or even the scripts or everything has been encoded in the Kip. It has also the developers, and whenever the version control has been done, it will be moved back to this one. Coming to that self-service, we have a three-click of production. So pick a service, configure it, and deploy it. It will be much as an easy go here. So that's one of the best way to use the platform ops using the key portals. Coming to the key metrics, like definitely how we are measuring the key metrics for the developer experience, mainly with the deployment frequencies, the lead time, MTTR, the onboarding times, and how much is the change failure rates. So we measure that key metrics with the developer experience. So definitely, even the PlatOps, there is platform operations. We have the pitfalls, mainly with the too rigid, infrastructure, or too rigid environments, or too complex architecture, whatever we have. The best practice is to make it simple. That's the only thing which we can do. Coming to like security and compliances, so it has a policy as a code, and it's we are using the shift left policies here, so it can be automated here. So one of the case study which we found is the innovative tech, so which has this fragmented DevOps related things, but they started using the golden paths, and with that there was faster with deployments and everything. The productivity, it is like, using this PlatOps, we are seeing that there's a faster onboarding and less infra burden which we are having. And there is more increase in the deployments, like 30% there is an increase in that deployments here. Coming to business, return of investments, like how we think about in the business things, we are seeing like there is a reduced infrastructure cost, and the product delivery is 2 times faster with minimizing the operation toils. Coming to roadmaps, like how we are going to start. So basically, it is like we need to access the current stage and define the vision. So what is the next stage, what we are trying to do, and to build a robust platform team. And of course, we'll be using the pilots basically first, and then we start working on this one. Other key takeaways which we can say is, it empowers the platform. Also, is more for the empowering the developers and scale safety, and also it fosters the product's culture and everything. Thank you very much.
Thanks, everyone.
All right.